Hello friends, welcome to our new video. Today there is very bad news on the LUNC side, friends. LUNC has now incredibly broken through its support zone and continues to fall, friends. If you remember in our last video, we looked at the possibility of it rising up to the 12,000 level, and from a Fibonacci perspective, if it failed to break the resistance zone on the way back, it could fall even lower. Before this, there is a news article from Coinpedia, friends. If you like, let's take a look at that first. After that, we will move on to technical analysis. Based on analyses on TradingView, we were talking about the potential for a sudden rise if the price manages to stay around the 10,000 level, due to psychological factors and the possible squeeze of short positions. By drawing attention to the increase in volume on the charts, we shared with you that the support zones between 9,500 and 12,000 are major targets and that the price should remain in these areas. As you can see here, Coinpedia has also shared a similar news article, friends. The information shared here is in no way investment advice. Cryptocurrencies carry a high level of risk. Please make sure to do your own research. Here it is mentioned how it could reach its new targets, that if it surpasses the 12,000 level, it could easily reach 14,000, and that 7,300 is also a support zone. Right now we are looking at our chart, and it is around 8,000, currently at 7,970. The chart really looks terrifying, because all of a sudden, overnight, there is a 10% drop, friends, and before that, of course, the declines continue as well. Of course, this is also connected to Bitcoin, friends. Bitcoin has been experiencing a lot of declines lately. So, what do you think, friends? Will LUNC coin drop below 7,300? Will it quickly break below 7,300 and continue to fall? Or is 7,300 the lowest? And from here, will it keep climbing back up, friends? What do you think? Let this be our lower region, and for our upper region, our resistance zone is around 8.5. So if it quickly breaks 8.5, it will definitely go even higher. 8,600 is our current resistance zone, friends. So if it breaks through these regions, if it breaks this area with a strong big move, it will go even higher, friends. That's why you should be careful. You could be subject to manipulation here. It may look like there's only a single drop here, but I think from here on, it's upward. But if it falls below 7,300 and even below 6,900, friends, I suggest you don't forget to activate your stop losses. So right now I'm looking at LUNC's history, and it has pulled back to around 7,700, 7,800. So is this a crash or a massive buying opportunity? Let's take a closer look at the data without panicking, friends. Currently, on the technical side, friends, after its last rally, LUNC made a 50% Fibonacci retracement and broke down below 8,100. Right now, all eyes and ears are on the 7,100 level. If it breaks below the 7,100 level, it could pose a major risk. But from here, it could also recover strongly and move back up again. As you can see, the weakness in Bitcoin is hitting altcoins even harder, friends. Even though the price is low, the community isn't stopping in the background, friends. Most recently, Binance burned another 923 million tokens, bringing the total amount burned to over 444 billion. And as you can see here, friends, Bitcoin quickly dropped from the 81,000, 82,000 levels down to $80,000. This has a huge effect on altcoins as well, friends. Right now, Terra Classic is ranked 95th, friends, and in terms of volume, it's really at a good level with $74 million. Its market cap has also dropped by 10% down to $442 million. This is quite normal at the moment. Do you think LUNC will recover from these levels? Will it rise again from here without falling much below the 7,300 support zone? What do you think? Do you think it will recover before dropping to the 7,300s? I'm curious about your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. By the way, you can join our Telegram group to instantly join our Signal group. The link is available in the description and in the comments. See you in the next videos. Take care of yourselves and goodbye.